guys, it's me, Azalea, with another video. What do you mean? You do it all. You don't have energy, you don't have height, you don't have enthusiasm.
I was like this. I was bending down like this.
What's up, JJ Squad? It's your boy, Jalen. And thank you with another video. We'll do this slime challenge. I was like, what is this work of art?
Oh, so I make it 2 strips of bacon, a little teeny tiny pancake, and a cinnamon roll.
This is my egg, bacon strips, pancake. I'm gonna make sausage later, alright?
Okay.
So alright.
So comment. So comment JJ.
Wait, Azalea, whoever you think wins, comment JJ Squad if it's me, or comment Azalea if it's her. Alright.
No, I want. Why do I have to say? Wait. Why do I have to say?
Because you never came up with the squad for your subscribers, so.
Yeah, I did it on my other channel.
But this ain't your channel.
But I don't have my channel anymore. I don't have my channel anymore. Sorry, guys.
You
but
should have posted
Maria Fernanda.
Hey, that's what gets us copyrighted. That's what gets us demonetized.
I'm not talking about Maria. No. I'm talking about her videos. I'm talking about our videos.
You just got us copyrighted.
I'm talking about our videos.
No, you just got us copyrighted.
How?
You just got us copyrighted, no joke.
No, I was like this. You guys don't know what I said.
Please be quiet, coach. Alright, let's just get into this.
It's fine. We won't get banned.
Yes, we will.
How?
Look at this. One of these channels, I'm not trying. They got
banned.
They got banned for copywriting.
Yeah, some songs are copyrighted too. Okay?
Even songs are not copyrighted.
Some.
Their owner permission gives them permission. Okay, nothing.
I want to whisper something in your ear after
Yeah.
this video. Because I don't want YouTube to hear this. It's not in the
Nah,
video.
say it now.
But I don't want to say it in front of the camera.
No, the JJ Squad and me want to hear what you got to say. Come on, say it, coach. Spit it up, coach. Y'all want to see it, right?
Inappropriate.
With the next video,
Yeah, and
we'll reveal her little secret.
Ow! Not today. Not today. Not today. Not today. Not today. You just came back.
Come on.
Sun rises.
I
Okay.
don't care about sunrise.
What? Yes.
Break it down. You will not be in my videos.
I'm just singing something.
Ashley, you just gonna get us copyrighted all
I'm
day.
singing a song.
You gonna get us copyrighted all video.
This video isn't the same as the Azalea. Okay?
You're gonna get us copyrighted.
Okay.
We
don't have to post it here. We can make a video again. We didn't even post it, so no one watched it.
I might pull out a diss on you. It's just.
Okay, I'll be quiet for this whole video.
No.
I won't say a word.
I won't say a single word.
To not get this diss track, you have to do what I say
Okay.
for 24 hours. So
Yes.
you gotta do what I say until what time is it?
Oh,
What time is it?
what time is it? What time is it? It's on your phone. 8:40. 8:40.
So you have to do what I said till 8:40 tomorrow. 24 hours.
Okay. But we might go to. Okay, never mind. I was talking about if we were gonna go to sleep though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we are. Yeah.
I still
Everybody
have you at 8:40.
Yeah. But you better wake up because sometimes you sleep in. That was my secret. He sleeps in. I'm just kidding. That was my secret. Actually,
Giant long legs, look at this. Alright. Boys, it's time to catch the fish.
Stop. Oh, don't get it on the freaking floor. Please.
Johnny Long Boy.
No, it's on the floor. Yeah. Put it in the freaking slime. You're next. In the next video.
What the?
Well, people are gonna watch. Like some new people are gonna watch.
What?
Next video.
What the?
Okay, so what do you want me to do right now?
Make your stuff.
I
What are you sitting there for? Make your.
Okay, I'll make my cinnamon roll.
Weren't you just done with that?
Okay, well, if
Hurry
that's
up! Chop. We ain't got all day. I'm done.
okay.
So you got the egg,
Okay.
scrambled eggs.
Okay, I'm done. Yes, my cinnamon roll. Okay.
Make that cinnamon roll better.
Okay.
No one like to eat that.
It's not
There's not that much rolls. There's not
Okay,
as little rolls.
This is good. This is good. This is pretty good. There you go. People want to eat that, right? Or too big.
Bigger.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go up.
And then you break your cinnamon roll.
Okay. Go slow. Go slow. Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay, then. Okay, I'll do what you say. I'll do what you say.
This joint is to back out. Again, hurry up.
Okay. This time I'm not joking.
Whoa.
Okay. Roll like this. Why are you making me cry, Jalen?
What do you mean?
You're saying something to YouTube. Okay, that's better, right? That cinnamon roll's better.
You have to stretch it more, and then I want it to be about this size, alright?
Okay, fine. Be calm. Okay. Yay. I hope this is good enough. I'm not good at making big and long cinnamon rolls.
Bah!
You just made me mess up my sin. Okay, does that look good? Because you made me mess up. You said ball. Boo. I don't know what you said.
I scared her, yeah.
I broke. Okay, let me just do this.
Okay. Scrambled eggs, baby, serving up. Hurry up.
Okay.
Alright, well, bye.